Welcome back to Best Reviews. Today, we're taking a look at the top 8 electric scooters released in 2025, from practical commuters to high-tech urban rides. We'll go through them one by one, starting from number 8. Let's dive in. Number 8. Yadea Velax. The Yadea Velax, launched in 2025, is a flagship smart electric motorcycle built for modern urban mobility. It runs on a 72-volt 30-amp-hour lithium iron phosphate battery, offering a range of around 105 to 110 kilometers on a single charge. Its 2-kilowatt in-wheel motor pushes a top speed of 62 kilometers per hour, while fast charging lets it reach 80% in just 20 to 35 minutes. The Velax offers sport and eco ride modes, reverse gear, USB charging, IPX7 water resistance, and anti-theft systems, making it a reliable, eco-friendly companion for city riders. Number 7. NIU NQi GTS. Next up, the NIU NQi GTS, a powerful electric scooter designed for both city and semi-urban riders. It's powered by a 3,500-watt motor reaching up to 80 kilometers per hour and delivers a range of up to 110 kilometers thanks to its dual removable batteries. For safety, it includes dual disc brakes, EABS, and full LED lighting. The scooter's 6.2-inch color TFT display, smartphone connectivity, and keyless start bring convenience to a new level, while its family account setup makes it easy to share. Number 6. Ampere Magnus Neo. The Ampere Magnus Neo focuses on affordability and everyday practicality. It offers a real-world range of 80 to 95 kilometers, powered by a durable LFP battery with a 5-year warranty covering up to 75,000 kilometers. Reaching speeds of 65 kilometers per hour, it features 12-inch wheels for stability and a reinforced frame for longevity. Perfect for daily commutes, the Magnus Neo combines low running costs with dependable performance, making it ideal for budget-conscious city riders. Number 5. Honda Activa A. The Honda Activa A represents a trusted name reimagined for the electric age. It offers a range of about 102 kilometers and a top speed near 80 kilometers per hour. Featuring Honda's eSwap battery technology, it allows quick battery swapping to minimize downtime. With LED lighting, a smart key, and reverse assist mode, the Activa E provides both comfort and convenience. It's backed by Honda's warranty and service network, giving riders peace of mind as they switch from petrol to electric. Number 4. Hero VIDA VX2. The Hero VIDA VX2 brings power and efficiency together. Engineered for both performance and practicality, it delivers a smooth and confident ride suited for city traffic. Its durable battery technology, refined motor system, and premium design make it stand out. Built by Hero MotoCorp, the VX2 ensures modern functionality, ease of use, and reliable durability for everyday commuters. Number 3. Suzuki e-Access. The Suzuki e-Access combines compact design with strong efficiency. It's powered by a 51.2-volt LFP battery with 60 ampere-hour capacity, offering a 95-kilometer range. Charging to 80% in just 4.5 hours, it's practical for daily use. Comfort is enhanced by telescopic front suspension, rear swing arm suspension, and LED lighting. Safety features include front disc and rear drum brakes, while its 122-kilogram frame ensures stability during city rides. Number 2. Ampere Magnus Grand. The Ampere Magnus Grand is built for extended rides. With a range of up to 118 kilometers and a top speed of 65 kilometers per hour, it's designed for longer commutes. Its lithium-ion battery fully charges in around 6 hours, and the scooter weighs a comfortable 108 kilograms. Practical features such as USB charging ports, comfortable seating, and durable design make the Magnus Grand a trusted long-range electric option. Number 1. Bajaj Chetak. And finally, the Bajaj Chetak, a modern classic reborn. It stands out with its sturdy metal body and IP67 water resistance, providing durability in any weather. Equipped with hill hold assist, a digital display with navigation, anti-theft alerts, and remote immobilization, it blends safety and smart connectivity. With Bajaj's wide service network and flexible EMI options, The Chetak combines heritage, technology, and everyday usability in one sleek package. That wraps up our countdown of the top 8 electric scooters released in 2025. Each of these models brings innovation, performance, and eco-friendly mobility to riders around the world. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next review on Best Reviews. Thanks for watching, and ride electric, ride smart.